The Galaxy S24 is on the horizon, and they've left us breadcrumbs with an invitation that screams, Galaxy AI is coming. The launch date? January 17th. But that's not all. They've taken it up a notch by teasing the Galaxy's new mobile AI-powered capabilities on Sphere's colossal exterior LED display in none other than Las Vegas, featuring the Sorcerer Supreme himself, Doctor Strange. Yep, you heard it right. Marvel Studios' What If? Season 2 and Samsung are teaming up for an epic takeover. In the teaser, Doctor Strange is doing his thing, discovering new portals of endless possibilities. The cherry on top? The tease ends with epic discoveries await, and a new era is coming with Galaxy, showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung is promising a whole new discovery experience with Galaxy AI? Sounds intriguing, right? Now, let's talk about the Sphere. This massive dome is not just a showstopper. It's a visual treat, boasting one of the world's highest resolution wraparound LED screens. And get this, it's not just static. The exterior can light up the Vegas skyline with dynamic imagery on a massive scale. Impressive, huh? The dome-shaped performance venue became the canvas for showcasing the groundbreaking features of the Galaxy series. Now, that's just a taste of what's to come. Are you ready for the Galaxy S24 and its AI-powered wonders? Share your excitement in the comments below. Well, the next part will be about the specs of S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. So if you already know them, you may as well skip this part. If not, let's continue. First up, display changes. The Galaxy S24 might be breaking the size barrier with its 6.2-inch FHD display, a smidge larger than its predecessor, the Galaxy S23. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Plus is making strides with a QHD resolution on its 6.7-inch screen. And the Ultra? Well, it's holding strong at 6.8 inches, but surprises us with a flat QHD screen, departing from the curved design of its predecessors. All three models are in for a treat with LTPO 120Hz displays. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth scrolling and high frame rate content. But that's not all. They're wrapping these powerhouses in a new Gorilla Glass armor material for extra durability against scratches and drops. It's like a suit of armor for your phone. Design-wise, the leaks suggest that the overall look might echo the Galaxy S23 series. But fear not, there's a splash of novelty. Get ready to pick from vibrant colors like violet, yellow, gray, and black for all S24 models. And for the Ultra, titanium is the buzzword, hinting at a possible titanium frame instead of the traditional aluminum. Camera buffs, listen up. While the regular S24 and S24 Plus seem to maintain their camera setup, the Ultra is stepping up its game. Brace yourselves for a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main camera, and the 10-megapixel 10x zoom camera is getting replaced with a new 50-megapixel 5x zoom lens. Say cheese to revolutionary photography. Beneath the surface, Samsung is shaking things up with the chipsets. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to boast the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, while the more budget-friendly models might flaunt the Exynos 2400 chips, at least for the European market. Brace yourselves for potential performance differences, including Wi-Fi 7 support on the Snapdragon and Wi-Fi 6E support on the Exynos. Let's talk memory and power. The base Galaxy S24 is rumored to start with 8 GB of RAM, but the Plus and Ultra are flexing with a massive 12 GB. A significant upgrade from the Galaxy S23 series, and don't even get us started on the batteries. The S24 and S24 Plus are rumored to pack larger 4000 mAh and 4900 mAh batteries respectively. While the charging speeds remain consistent, the extra capacity should translate into some impressive battery life gains. And here's the cherry on top, Galaxy AI. It might not be on the official spec sheet, but rumor has it that it's poised to be a game changer. Enhanced translation, automatic photo editing, the possibilities are endless. Now the countdown has begun, just a week until Galaxy Unpacked, the moment of truth where all these rumors will be confirmed. If you're as eager as we are, mark your calendars for January 17th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time or 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time and join Samsung's livestream on Samsung.com and YouTube. That's a wrap for our tantalizing sneak peek into the Galaxy S24 series. Which rumored feature has you the most excited? Share your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.